In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your QuickBooks Online data to Excel as a backup. If you want a simple way to keep a copy of important information from QuickBooks Online, exporting your data to Excel is a great option. It can help you store key reports or lists on your computer so you have an extra reference whenever you need it. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're fully signed in and on the main dashboard before moving to the next step. Starting from the dashboard makes it easier to find the settings area quickly. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is where QuickBooks keeps a variety of account and company options, including the export feature you'll need for this task. From the Settings menu, select Export Data. This will open the area where you can choose what information you want to download from QuickBooks. Depending on what you need, you can export either reports or lists, so the next step is to choose the correct section. Click either the Reports tab or the Lists tab, depending on the type of data you want to back up. Reports are useful if you want summaries such as financial activity over a period of time, while lists are helpful for saving records like customers, vendors, or products. Take a moment here to choose the section that matches what you're trying to keep. After that, select the specific reports or lists you want to export. You don't have to export everything if you only need certain data, so choose the items that are most relevant for your backup. This can help keep your file organized and easier to review later. If the option is available, choose the date range that applies to the reports you're exporting. This is especially important if you only want data from a certain month, quarter, or year. Picking the correct date range helps make sure your backup includes exactly the information you need. When everything looks right, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will begin preparing the file, and depending on how much data you selected, this may take a few moments. Finally, save the exported Excel file to your computer as your backup. Choose a location that's easy to remember, such as a dedicated backup folder so you can find it quickly in the future. And that's it. You've successfully created a backup of your QuickBooks Online data in Excel.